Hello folks, I am your host Ali Raj and you are watching Guess Man.
Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, let's go ahead and continue with our AWS SageMaker demo. If you guys recall in the previous lesson, we went through our Jupyter notebook. We here have been able to write our first code. If you guys remember, and then let me show you. So if you guys recall, we define the variable x, then variable y, and then we have been able to kind of perform a basic summation between x and y. And we also explored Jupyter notebook capabilities, and we also learned, which is really important, how to stop our instance here and how to delete as well our notebook instance. Okay, so what I wanted to show you guys right now is actually really fun activity. So I wanted to show you the AWS Marketplace tutorial. So let me head back to the Amazon SageMaker here. So here we are in the Amazon SageMaker homepage, and if you guys recall, on the left hand side I have the multiple options. I can launch studio, and that's what we are going to do in the next lesson. And actually in the following lesson we will learn about AWS Amazon SageMaker canvas as well, and that will enable us to build super powerful artificial intelligence and machine learning model with zero coding, and essentially just with the very few clicks of a button. So you can also kickstart a labeling job here using the Amazon SageMaker ground truth. You can also instantiate a notebook instance, which is what we have done before, and we learned of course how to disable and stop these instances too. You can also deploy an endpoint, and you can go here and simply start to make inferences, kind of invoke this endpoint to generate specific prediction. And now to fun part. If you guys scroll here to the bottom, you should be able to see AWS Marketplace. If you go ahead and click on model packages, you will see it's super powerful here. Basically, tools available for you. So these are the featured model packages, and you will see several essentially models that are already trained for you. They already pre-trained, and all what you need to do is to go ahead and actually use them, which is super powerful. So you don't need to go and train your machine learning model or deploy it. It's already available for you and can simply release it and pay per use. So what you guys see here, for example, I have a passport data page protection. For example, I also have a vehicle damage inspection, and this simply classify vehicle damages images in multiple types. So you can see here that we have license plate detection and recognition. We also have the face and license plate and analyzer, and finally here we have glimmered CV YOLO v3 object detector. And if you guys are not familiar with the object detection, especially with the YOLO, YOLO is a type of deep neural network, is called YOLO only look once, and we are going to learn about deep learning in later section of the course. So let me show you guys, if you would like to explore maybe one of these models. So if you click on new product, you will see that right now essentially a new page open. You should be able to see here a quick description. So selling your MP3 is a powerful network for the fast and accurate object detection powered by glue and CV. And you can see here essentially the product overview. It's telling you that given an input image, you can return object coordinates and also the category prediction as well. And if you scroll down the bottom as well, you should be able to see a bunch of options here. For example, you should be able to see the infrastructure pricing. So you will see pricing here per host per hour, or you will see the tons of application here, and you also should be able to see the review as well. So it's telling a very good model, for example, and some other people said I can make inference endpoint in a relatively short period of time. And what I wanted to show you guys is, well, let's go ahead and try it out. Let's go ahead and say I wanted to try a product demo. So if you click on the try product demo, basically what I see here is this is simply the interface, and behind the scenes there is already a pre-trained object detection YOLO v3 model. So there is a powerful AI that has already been trained, and it's actually running behind the scenes. all I need to do is to go ahead and actually test it out. So let's go ahead and test it out. So here I have object detection, so and it's telling you upload an image. So if you click on the upload an image, and if you had to simplify our course package, so here if you go to our course in here, you should be able to see that I have including two images for you guys. So let's go ahead and test them out. Let's go ahead maybe the test and try something, say kitchen. So double click on it, and what you can see here is now the image has been uploaded, and here we go. Very powerful. So what we see here is that the AI model behind the scene has been able to detect that this is a microwave and to draw a bounding box around it. They can also show you that this is an offense here. It has also detected the knife, the bottom. Refrigerator, for example, is saying a chair again. Pretty incredible, and it's just pretty amazing. And all of that again with just a bunch of few clicks. It's all what you need. So what you can see here is this is a microwave, and you can see on the right hand side is telling you that it detected that there is a microwave in the image with confidence of the 98%. Just imagine how powerful that is. You can also see that there it detected a chair with a confidence of 97.8% and also detected the fridge of 99.02%. Scroll to the bottom as well. You should be able to see all the different objects that has been detected in an image. And you can also click on, let's say, highlight, and it's going to highlight where it's detecting the knife. It's telling you when detected. And if you see well detected, let's say an oven for example, if you select an oven, you will see that this has been detected. Let's go ahead and maybe try any other images to see the upload an image. Any other image of scene here, let's say incredible, like I see you, this is a car again. You will see the confidence of 93.7% has been able to detect pedestrian to a person with 79.6 to one accurate confidence detected by the bicycle here, and also a person riding on the bike. It also detected here a truck, which is that FedEx truck with 95% accuracy, and also detected the bus as well. Let's go ahead and check out a bunch of tags. These are all the tags that has been object that has been detected in our image. Pretty incredible. And you will see the course base basically see that there is a handbag here that has been detected with only 91.42%. So it's not very confident, and you will see that there is again a handbag actually. So actually this one here has been detected as a person. So however, let me actually show it to you again, and if you click on the handbag and you will say highlight image, for example, let's see if that was correctly, because you guys will see that this has actually detected a handbag while very confident, but is still the correct classification on as well. Okay, so that's it. That's all I have it for this lesson. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I just took snapshot here of what we have done so far. In the next lesson, let's go ahead and go to Amazon SageMaker, known as Amazon SageMaker Studio. Please stay tuned. Best of luck, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.
गेट साइटमेंट को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि इस जैसी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें।